Naman, I am having a lot of problems. Can you help me?
Yeah, sure. What kind of problems?
Well, I started a business and I invested all my money and it took a lot of time. But still, it is not growing. I'm getting a lot of loss. Can you please help me?
Yeah, I have just the tool for you. Presenting you, rebuild you, grow your business with us. So let's look at the problem. For the problem is every 3 in 5 businesses are non-profitable and either break down or constantly losing money. Why? But why is this? This is due to the lack of skills and awareness among the new entrepreneurs. What is our solution then? Well, worry not, Rebuild You is there for you. Our consultants with all the features and skill necessary for your business. Your business will skyrocket soon with Rebuild You. So let's understand the problem. This is due to knowledge about the business, understanding the market, and marketing. Let's look at them step by step. Okay. Knowledge about the business. Usually, there is a lack of knowledge about the business among the people. Understanding the market, understanding your business ground, and fierce competition is important, and it is what people underestimate. Marketing, branding, marketing, and communicating with customers is also a major problem which most people usually underestimate. Now, I would like to pass on to our product manager, Vanya.
Thank you, Naman. Good evening, Sham. My name is Vanya. I am the product manager of Rebuild You. So, what should be our solution for all of these problems? Rebuild You is a platform for those who are facing problems in growing their business. This platform will provide them with in product details. We have training. We are going to learn. We are going to do training. We are going to make you understand the 4 P's of marketing. We are going to advertise and we are going to learn how to manage our time. So first is training. Of understanding the marketing is very important. 4 P's of marketing. The 4 P's of marketing is going to help you to define marketing options in terms of price, product, place, and promotion. Advertising. It increases the customer's reach and build awareness among the people about your business. Time management. Big enterprises like Amazon and Flipkart, time management is their key of success. Now I would like to give this our wonderful CMO Naman.
Okay. Good evening, sir. This is the CMO of Rebuild You, Naman. So let's just discuss about target audience. Anyone doing or wanting to start a business could make use of our services in a reasonable price. The more data are the more data is given on your screen. Next slide, please. Let's talk about the marketing tools. Some of our marketing tools are first, radios. We have tied up with some of the biggest radio channels to promote our service. Print media, we advertise through newspaper and magazine because everyone reads a newspaper in the morning. The word of mouth. Our company's name is also spreading fast through the word of mouth. Digital marketing in the next generation, being digital, is very important. Who doesn't use social media these days? Therefore, we also advertise through digital means like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Now, I would like to pass on to our sales head, Sharvari, for costing.
Hello Sharks, myself Sharvari. I'm the sales head. I will tell you about the costing. There are 5 plans: basic plans and the advanced plans. The time periods is on the screen. Now I'll hand over it to the Vanya.
Good evening, Sharks. I, R. Christoph, the CFO of our company, is going to tell you the revenue collected so far. In 2019, we collected 30 lakhs of revenue in total. But do you know what? It decreased drastically in 2020, but we barely managed to collect 17 lakhs in total. In 2021, it increased with 50 lakhs in total. And in the current year, 2022, we have already collected 40 lakhs till now. 90 lakhs is expected to be collected in this year, and we hope our target is achieved. Now I pass to Sarvesh.
Hello, sir. My name is Sarvesh. I'm the account head. Here we have invested 20 lakhs for facilities, 4.16 lakhs for 20.8%, infrastructure 8.12 lakhs for 40.6%, and training salary 7.7 lakhs for 38.5%. Now I would like to pass to Chris.
Time is up, guys. Please wind it up. Please wind it up in 2 minutes.
Our ask from Sharks is for 10 lakh for 8% equity, and we promise you substantial growth. Now I pass to Sarvesh.
Teamwork division. Shreya, who is our CEO, Naman, who is our CMO, Vanya, who is our product manager, Sharvari, who is sales head, Chris, who is our CFO, and Service, that's me, is accounts head.
This was it, Sharks. Thank you, and questions are welcome.